Hello, Donna Tony, Jet 625, Donna. So, as many of you have requested, we're gonna do a full program. So, as you can see, quartz 30 mil is on the saw. Obviously, I will not explain how do I put it on the saw. The table goes up, you bring the forklift, you put the stuff, job done. So, this is our 30 mil. This is the picture that we took of that material already. So now, very crucial. First of all, you need to get the correct, because we're going to be doing milling, so we need to have our tool plus. I've got it named old router, so that's active. Disc, that's my quartz disc, so I also gonna check if the blade is correct. So that's what she's gonna do now. Yeah, essentially, you should do it every single time you do a completely new run, so at least you know. And then maybe we can see in here, this figure number should change. Yes, it did change. Great. So we know that the machine is correct, the tool plus is correct. Now we also need to check if the material, which we select from here, is the one that we want, which is JS30, which is exactly what this is. Crucial part is the linear cuts. The forward is the most important. It's 4,000 millimeters by minute. And the milling, which is also 4,000 millimeter by a minute. The forward is 0.5, so we do step 0.5. So this is our material that we selected. So we are happy, Bosch. Now we go into our parametrics, which is in here. Yeah, now we choose the material. So DXF, SOD, current jobs. I've got everything, just so you guys know, I've got everything connected to my Google Drive. So then it's easier, so I can adjust bits as I go. Synchron ready. So it's this. So as you can see, undermounted sync with a little tap hole that I'm gonna try and test doing. So that's that. So we shall load this. We shall then get it on. Now, so this is our piece. Obviously, we try to make sure that the material, it's impossible to see any issues with the material. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have to physically go and check. Yeah, we're checking, and obviously this is shit. Yeah, so we cannot cut on that. That's also terrible. So I would say 20 mil in is what we need to be, which is absolutely fine. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So now our little measuring device. Yeah, so we go into here, we go our tape measure, we measure from the edge of the slab till the edge of the stone. That's 30 mil, and that's okay. We can live with that. 30 mil is fine. So now, that is our piece. I don't really want to move it. It's so fine. Ta-la-la. So now it's time to adjust this piece. So Bosch. Now cutting. What I would like to do is I would like to mill that little tap hole. So I'm marking that. I would like to mill the corner of each. So I would like to do that. I would like to do that. I would like to do that. And that. And then also, what I would like to do is I would like to do that. Yeah, the only reason for that, this particular one, is so then I can pretty much move the rest of the slab out, and it shouldn't be a problem. I think, yes, because otherwise it will be connected. So this is what I want to achieve. This is our front edge, and that edge back to the wall. This is finished. Yes. I don't necessarily even know what that means. So now we would like to go in there. Now work out our pieces. In our case, we would like to after everything is done, we would like to move that piece away. But because we've done our cutouts, we can do it anyway, so I will not add any more moves. What is important for me is that I would like to do this milling only 3 mil in. Yeah? Why only 3 mil in? Is because I just want to have a little information where is my top hole, so I'm just gonna do her 3 mil. The rest of the milling needs to be properly 32 mil. Yeah, so that's that as well. I would like to push all of them up, so every milling goes. Yeah, every single milling. Yes, every single milling, because then at least we are done. And then internal cuts, well, they can go above. So everything will be making sense. And right there, internal, and the last internal, and that's it. So now, this is our order. We need to obviously check the thickness of the blade, the thickness of the material, which I always do a few times, especially in the area where I'm going to be doing milling. Then I will also have her washed. So we adding the section that she gonna wash after everything is done. So I would like her to wash the whole slab. Yeah, so that's that. Finish. So I have the slab measurements doing in 3 places, then milling, then internal cuts of the sink, then parameters, and then washing at the end. So now I will pause and I will meet you in a minute when we're gonna actually start getting her ready. So we are back. We are back and we are ready to go. So everything is there. Everything is there. We shall be going. Okay. So PGMI. And we are starting green section. Yeah. She will be doing the test again. Thank you. 33. 32 and a half. Yes. Bosch. 32.9. Now, starting with our little bit. So we will give her a slow start. And that's it. And that's it. So when she will be cutting, I will let you know how this is going. But essentially, this is where we are. So I will see you back in a minute. So quickly, the last bit, just want to show you, this is the final product. Yeah, I've cut that, done, it's just for the corner. This is my undermounted sink with 20 mm radius, 20 mm radius. And I also told her to do a little beginning for my top hole that is exactly in the place where I want it. So now I just do it by hand finish. And that's it. So it's all lovely. Any questions, please leave them in the comment section and, you know, like and subscribe as all the dickheads from YouTube tend to say. Bye-bye.